Here's what's happening right now while you're watching this video. Someone just closed a deal building a simple AI system for a local business. Another person just signed their third monthly client for AI avatar services, and a guy named Nick, who started as a complete beginner, built a thriving AI education community that generates thousands in monthly revenue. These aren't Silicon Valley tech bros. These are regular people who figured out something the AI experts don't want you to know. The real money isn't in using AI tools, it's in becoming the bridge between confused businesses and AI solutions they desperately need. But here's the problem. 99% of people learning AI are focused on the wrong things. They're perfecting ChatGPT prompts while others are building profitable agencies. Today I'm showing you exactly how this works, but before we dive deep, let me be crystal clear about something. These strategies are not overnight success promises. What you're about to see is educational insight into what is actually working in 2025. Your results, they will depend upon how much you are willing to learn, take action, and how you execute these ideas. Now, look, I am the AI avatar of Anik Singal, who has been in internet marketing for over 20 years and generated over $150 million in sales across various industries. He is actively acquiring agentic AI companies and doubling down on AI. He believes that AI has brought a massive change in his entire career. That's why his content creation team has accumulated only AI tricks to share with you. Anyway, let's get back to the content you are waiting to know. The reality check, why most people fail. Here's the uncomfortable truth. While you're watching 10 ChatGPT prompts videos, smart people are building AI automation agencies that charge thousands per project. While you're learning to write better emails with AI, others are creating digital twins that generate content 24/7 without ever touching a camera. The difference? They understand something most people miss completely. AI isn't about replacing humans. It's about becoming the bridge between confused businesses and powerful technology. Think about it. Your local dentist knows his website looks like it's from 2005, but he doesn't know that AI can rebuild it in 2 minutes instead of paying thousands to a traditional agency. The foundation, start with attention, not products. Here's where everyone gets it backwards. They think I need to build something first, then find customers. Wrong, dead wrong. The path to AI wealth starts with one thing, attention. You don't need to be an expert. You need to be learning one step ahead of your audience. Here's the formula that's working. Day one, learn something about AI. Could be a new tool, a prompt technique, or how to automate a simple task. Day two, share what you learned on social media. Be real about your journey, show what worked, what didn't, what confused you. This isn't a theory. One person I know went from 0 to 400,000 followers using this exact method, then built a newsletter generating substantial monthly revenue. Another started sharing AI tutorials and now charges thousands per workshop. The secret? They documented their learning journey instead of pretending to be experts. Let's take an example. A woman learned how to use a tool called HeyGen to create AI avatars. She spent 1 week figuring it out, then made a simple video showing how she cloned herself. A local real estate agent saw the video and said, I need this. I hate being on camera, but now I need video content. So that woman got her first paying client just by sharing her learning process. The moneymakers, 4 proven models. And let me break down the 4 models that are actually generating serious revenue right now. First, the digital twin empire. This is where the real opportunity lives. You take 2 to 5 minutes of someone talking, upload it to platforms like HeyGen, and create a photorealistic AI avatar that sounds exactly like them. Suddenly, they can create endless content without ever being on camera again. Here's why this works. Business owners know they need to post content daily, but hate being on camera. That's a massive problem. Your solution? Their AI clone can create unlimited videos while they focus on running their business. You can build your entire agency around this model and have multiple clients paying monthly retainers. Second, the AI automation agency. This is the S-tier opportunity, and here's why it's the ultimate AI business model. You become the trusted AI partner that businesses call when they need problems solved. But let me show you exactly how this works in practice, the audit process that prints money. Start with simple audits, but here's the secret framework nobody teaches. You spend 60 minutes with a business owner asking these specific questions. What task do you or your employees do every day that makes you want to pull your hair out? What's the one thing that, if automated, would give you back 10 hours per week? What repetitive process costs you the most money and wasted time? Then you recommend 3 to 5 AI tools that solve those exact problems. But here's the genius part. You're not just recommending tools, you're becoming their implementation partner. Real scenario breakdown. A dental office spends 10 hours weekly scheduling appointments manually. The receptionist is constantly interrupted, double bookings happen, and they lose potential patients who call after hours. You walk in with a solution, an AI chatbot that handles 80% of scheduling automatically, works 24/7, and integrates with their existing calendar system. They save thousands monthly in staff time and never miss another potential patient. You charge for the setup and monthly management. They're happy to pay because you're literally putting money back in their pocket every single month. Why this model dominates? Unlike other AI businesses where you're selling a nice to have, you're solving urgent, expensive problems. When a business owner realizes you can eliminate their biggest daily headache and save them money, price becomes irrelevant. They're not buying AI automation, they're buying their sanity back. The scaling secret. Once you solve one problem successfully, they trust you with everything. That dental office? 6 months later, you're automating their patient follow-ups, review requests, and insurance verification. One client becomes a recurring revenue goldmine because you've proven you understand their business. Third, the SaaS killer. The digital Frankenstein solution. Most businesses pay tens of thousands yearly for a dozen different software tools that barely work together. Picture this nightmare. They use Salesforce for CRM, MailChimp for emails, Calendly for scheduling, Slack for communication, QuickBooks for accounting, and 5 other tools that don't talk to each other. Every day, employees waste hours copying data between systems and nothing syncs properly. Here's your golden opportunity. You can build custom all-in-one solutions using AI coding tools like Claude Code, then sell them as complete replacements for their messy software stack. But here's what makes this brilliant. You're not competing with billion-dollar software companies. You're solving the integration problem they can't. Real-world example, a marketing agency was paying for 12 different tools and spending 15 hours weekly just moving data around. Then a person came and built them a custom system that combined client management, project tracking, invoicing, and reporting into one seamless platform. The agency saved thousands monthly in software costs and recovered 15 hours of productive time weekly. The economics are insane. You charge a one-time fee for building their custom system, often less than what they spend on software subscriptions in 6 months. For them, it's a no-brainer investment that pays for itself immediately. For you, it's high-ticket revenue without ongoing software licensing costs. Why this works now. AI coding tools let you build in weeks what used to take months. You're not writing code from scratch. You're directing AI to create exactly what the business needs. Nothing more, nothing less. It's like having a team of developers at your fingertips. Fourth, the voice AI architect, the phone call revolution. Every missed phone call is money on fire for businesses, and most business owners don't realize how much they're losing. A plumbing company that misses 5 calls daily loses approximately $50,000 yearly in potential revenue. A dental office missing after-hours calls, that's $100,000 plus in lost appointments annually. The problem is bigger than you think. It's not just missed calls. It's the spam calls that waste time, the after-hours inquiries that go unanswered, the basic questions that tie up expensive staff, and the inconsistent information given by different employees. Every business with a phone has this problem. Your solution stack. Build AI receptionists that never sleep, never take breaks, and sound perfectly human. But here's the strategic approach. Start with a simple spam filter system that costs the client almost nothing but proves your technology works. The progression that prints money. Level 1, spam filter system. Answers calls, identifies spam versus real customers, transfers real calls to staff, charge a few hundred for setup. Level 2, basic receptionist, handles common questions, takes messages, schedules appointments, monthly retainer. Level 3, full AI phone system, processes orders, handles customer service, integrates with their CRM, provides detailed analytics. Real impact numbers. One documented case study showed a single system handling 80% of incoming calls, reducing staff phone time by 25 hours weekly, and capturing 40% more leads because it never missed a call. The ROI was massive because the system paid for itself in the first month just from captured leads that would have been lost. Why this is exploding now? Voice AI finally sounds human enough that customers can't tell the difference. The technology crossed the uncanny valley threshold in 2024, making this viable for any business that answers phones, and every business answers phones. The execution, the step-by-step blueprint. Here's the step-by-step blueprint that's working right now. Phase 1 Lurn, months 1 to 2. Master prompt engineering first, not the basic ChatGPT stuff everyone knows. I'm talking about building prompts that solve real business problems. Learn one AI automation platform deeply. Focus on no-code tools like Make.com or Zapier. Phase 2, apply months 3 to 4. Work with 3 to 5 clients for free. Yes, free. This isn't charity, it's your MBA in AI business. Document everything, what works, what doesn't, how long things take. This real-world experience is worth more than any course. A guy named Mike learned how to connect ChatGPT to a business's email system using Zapier. Took him 3 days to figure it out. He then offered to automate email responses for local service businesses for free to build case studies. After proving the system worked, he started charging for setup and monthly management. Phase 3, monetize. Months 5 to 6, start charging. Begin with project-based pricing if you're doing the work yourself, or hire developers and mark up their rates. The key? Focus on results, not hours. I'll automate your appointment scheduling. Sells better than I'll build you a chatbot. The advanced game, scaling your operation. Once you've proven your system works, everything changes. Now you build systems, not just services. Create productized offers, templated solutions you can customize quickly. Build a team with clear roles. Marketing director, client success manager, content strategist, editors. Here's the secret sauce. Your marketing becomes your product demonstration. If you're selling AI avatars, use AI avatars for your own content. If you're selling automation, automate your own lead generation. When prospects see the system working for you, they don't need convincing. They just want to buy whatever you're using. The documentation system creates standard operating procedures for everything. A person has shown me his Notion workspace. He has SOPs for client onboarding, avatar creation, content strategy, even how to name WhatsApp groups. This level of systematization is what separates successful agencies from one-person freelance operations. And team structure that works, marketing director manages content strategy and copywriting. The client success director handles operations and delivery. Editors become your biggest bottleneck, so have multiple freelancers on standby. The generative creator, someone skilled at getting the best results from AI tools, becomes a crucial role. The most successful agencies get most of their new clients from referrals and organic content. Why? Because they're not just selling AI services. They're demonstrating AI transformation every single day. What nobody tells you? Let me be brutally honest about what this actually takes. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. The people building substantial AI businesses put in 12 to 18 months of consistent work before seeing major results. They posted content daily, worked with difficult clients, and refined their processes hundreds of times. The real timeline: month 1 to 2, you're learning and earning nothing. Month 3 to 4, you're working for free to build case studies. Month 5 to 6, you start charging small amounts. Month 7 to 12, you're building a real business with recurring revenue. Most people quit in month 2 because they expect immediate results. What makes it worth it? You're not just building a business, you're building skills that will be valuable for decades. While others worry about AI taking their jobs, you'll be the person businesses call to implement AI solutions. The mindset shift. Stop thinking like a consumer of AI tools and start thinking like a provider of AI solutions. The difference is everything. Consumers learn prompts, providers solve business problems that happen to use AI. The window is closing though, right now. You can become the AI expert in your local market with 6 months of focused effort. In 2 years, you'll be competing with thousands of others who figured this out. So here's your choice. You can keep watching AI tutorials and learning party tricks, or you can start building real wealth with AI. The blueprint is right here. The tools exist. The demand is massive. Pick one model from today's video, spend the next 30 days learning it deeply, then find your first client and deliver results and document everything and share your journey. In 12 months, you could be the person others are watching to learn how to build AI businesses. The future belongs to the builders, not the watchers.